Today I want to show you something very, very important. Digicel users in Papua New Guinea, many people notice their phone credit or data disappear without understanding why. The reason is auto-renewal. Some Digicel bundles automatically renew when your data expires or finishes. The system buys the same bundle again using your remaining credit or leftover credit. Many people, especially parents and elders, realize this is happening and plan to complain or come up. The good news is you can stop it. So to stop it, you just follow these simple steps that I am going to show you. Firstly, open your dial pad and dial *777# and press send. When the Digicel menu appears, dial number 7 and press number 7 my service and press send. You will see option 1 auto renew option 1. So you press 1 and send, and then you will see this page. Select the option below, select option 1, opt out, dial 1 and then send. And then you will see select the plan you want to opt out of auto renew. So right now you can see that I have subscribed to a 20 Guinea bundle. So I will press 1 and select opt out. By opting out, you will lose 100% bonus upcoming data, 15 gigabyte. So you dial 1 and press send. You have successfully opt out of this auto renewal process. So when you do this, there will be no longer auto renewal. You yourself will go and subscribe by dialing *77 again. If you like this information, please go to my YouTube channel and subscribe to my channel and support, like, and show your support so I can create more videos like this. If it is helpful to you, please leave a comment below.